welcome to Line Reviews. Today I'm showing you this product that is a seat cover that has a pillow inside. It's to protect your child's neck, and if they go to sleep, they'll be comfortable without the seatbelt choking them. Now I am showing you guys a real life demonstration so you guys understand that it does protect your child's neck. It does not cut them. If she was to fall asleep, she would still be comfortable. And I really recommend this product for all of your children, even yourself. It's a really great quality. So there you have it. If you have any questions or like the product, please go back to the site of Amazon. The description will be down below. And subscribe if you want to see more reviews from Line Reviews. Thank you.